Welcome to this demonstration of the rail side to rail side movement process using silo operations in the movement by rail module. In this video, we will walk through the complete life cycle of a silo rail movement where both the source and destination locations operate through rail sidings. This includes creating and approving a rail movement, registering indent, placement of rake, silo wagon-wise loading, acknowledgement, updating destination details, wagon binning, and releasing the rake, followed by verification of DDR and DSR reports and bin activity updates. Let us begin. Initiating rail movement. Login as regional office staff or divisional office staff. Navigate to movement by rail and add movement. Enable the option is silo movement and enter the reference number received from Railways, the movement name, number of wagons, source rail station, source depot, scheduled loading date, commodity, and its variety. Check the option to add destination entry. Choose the destination rail station from the drop-down and note that the consignee is displayed automatically. Enter the number of wagons for the destination. Then submit. A confirmation message appears showing that the rake movement has been created successfully, along with the reference number, rake movement number. Next, log in as GM region or divisional manager and go to movement by rail and then approve movement. Search for the created movement and open it to review the details. Approve the request, and a success message confirms that the movement has been approved. Rail side outward operations. Log in as Manager Depot. And go to movement by rail indent registration. Select movement type as by rail siding. Choose the rake movement number. Enter the registration date and reference details and submit. A message confirms successful indent registration. Log in as railhead in charge or manager depot and open movement by rail rake placement. Select movement type as outward. Choose the rake movement number. Enter the placement time and required details. And submit. The system confirms successful rake placement. Log in as Manager Depot and go to movement by rail wagon number assignment. Select the rake movement number and assign wagon details including wagon number, wagon type, and wagon capacity. A success pop-up confirms that wagon allocation is completed. Log in as silo in charge and go to movement by rail silo wagon-wise loading. Select the movement and wagon number. Choose the silo and enter the assigned loading quantity. Submit the loading details and a pop-up confirms that silo loading is completed for the movement. Repeat loading actions for all wagons. Log in as ICCS team member or manager depot and navigate to movement by rail rake loading or unloading acknowledgement. Select movement type as outward. Choose the rake movement number and submit. A success message confirms that the loading acknowledgement has been recorded. Return to Manager Depot login and go to Movement by Rail movement list. Search for the created rake movement and edit the movement details. Enable Update Destination Details and select the destination station, consignee, and number of wagons. Submit the update and the system confirms successful movement update. Log in as Railhead in charge or Manager Depot and go to Movement by Rail Update RR number. Select the rake movement number and enter the RR number. A success message confirms that RR number has been updated. Finally, go to Movement by Rail Rake Release. Select movement type as outward. Choose the movement. Enter the release time and submit. The rake is released successfully. Verification at Source Depot. Login as Manager Depot and open Reports Daily Reports DDR. Enter the search criteria to view dispatch details. The DDR report displays correct dispatch data. Open View Bins and select the specific bin to view bin activity. The reduction in stock from silo loading is reflected accurately. Railside Inward Operations. Login as Railhead in charge or Manager Depot at the destination depot and open Movement by Rail and then Rake Placement. Select movement type as inward. Enter placement details. And submit. The placement update is confirmed. Go to Movement by Rail and then binning from wagon. Select the movement and wagon number. Enter the received quantity and submit. The system confirms successful binning. Repeat the process for the remaining wagons. Open Rake Loading or Unloading Acknowledgement. Select movement type as inward and the rake movement number and submit. A success message confirms the unloading acknowledgement. Go to Rake Release under Movement by Rail and release the movement by entering the release time. The rake release message displays successfully. Verification at destination depot. Open reports, daily reports, and then DSR and view the report using the required filters. The inward receipt data displays correctly. Open View Bins and View Bin activity to confirm the inward updates in the destination silo. With this, the rail side to rail side silo movement operation is successfully completed. The commodity has been deducted from the source depot and added to the destination depot stacks. DDR and DSR reports have been accurately updated and bin activity logs reflect correct stock movement. Thank you.